morning or good afternoon because I woke up in the afternoon. Yeah, this is my hair after. It's pretty. Honestly, I really like it. It's not like greasy, oily, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm Mexican and we have genes that make your hair really, really greasy. That's why I think that's why I never really used oil, because I'm like, I'm just gonna look dirty the next day or the same day, you know? But I don't look dirty, I actually look clean. I like as if I take a shower and I have hygiene, so that's awesome. I just finished brushing my teeth, and then I'm just gonna wear the same thing I'm wearing right now. I'm gonna go to Sam's Club and I am going to buy fruit, maybe oats, so I can start making my weight gain smoothie. Now we're on the path of trying to just gain a little bit of weight. Not a lot. Obviously, I don't want to be a muscle mommy. Like, not obviously, okay? You guys don't know this about me. I'm letting you know things about me. I don't want to be a muscle mommy at all. I really enjoy my small figure and I want to continue keeping that. I just want more of like a butt, you know what I'm saying? Like, just like a little bit more. And, when I gain weight, I have more like a womanly figure too, you know, so I kind of want that just a little bit. Maybe like 20 pounds is like my goal, which is a lot, but my first week, I'm gonna plan to just get a steady schedule of eating every day, because I don't eat every day. Like, I'm not saying I don't eat every day, I do eat every day, probably once a day, you know what I'm saying? Or, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is actually like document my eating, what I eat, document my calories a little bit, and then see if I could gain some weight. And then after that first week, I'm gonna start working out. That is the plan. It takes steps, you know, to try to change yourself and change the way you eat and all of these habits that you have that aren't healthy, you know. It really does take day by day, you know. I can't just like go work out, because if I work out and I get burnt out like day two, like I'm the type of person who gets burnt out pretty quickly. Burnt out really quickly is my mindset. I know it's not because my mind isn't healthy, but I know if I could get a schedule of like having a correct diet and then go work out, because I'm like afraid of like working out and losing weight, you know what I'm saying? Because that is not the goal here. We're trying to gain weight, so get the schedule of eating first and then start going to the gym by myself. Sadly, I want to go with a friend or something. Maybe I'll try to like find a friend who wants to go with me, but at the moment it'll just be by myself, and just mainly like lower body heavy and stomach heavy, like a more curvier down, you know. So work on eating this week, and then next week we will work on working out. That would be really fun. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me to Sam's real quick to see what I get, and then I'll come back and make the smoothie. But yeah, yay to new changes and new habits, new health. Yes. Alright, I just got to Sam's Club, and yeah, it sucks like they don't have like bags here or anything, you know. I hate nature and I hate Mother Earth. Like, gosh, I wish I just had plastic bags to like, you know, get all the turtles and stuff. Like, but no, I just like, being like not strong and carrying like stuff is like really annoying to me, but it's fine. We're building to fix that. There you go. But yeah, I'll take you guys with me, and I'll probably just do like a voiceover. I don't want to like talk while there's people around me. If there's no people around me, I will talk and just like use this, I guess. But if there's like too many people, I'll just do like a voiceover. But yeah, come with me to go shopping for a weight gain smoothie. I want to show you guys my friends. This is Froggy. He has candy on. And then this is baby Gromp. He is a big boy. And then this is Baron. Baby Baron. He's just going ham. But yeah. Alright, so I got my quick oats here for only $11.24 is a really good price. Then I got my 2 fruits, so it's like gonna be a cup of fruit and then a cup of fruit. I got some snacks, got some batteries, some bananas for the smoothies, some breakfast items, French toast, because I gotta save money. I like to eat a lot, and it's not good for you to spend a lot of money like that. I got these cute shorts in the kids section, because like duh, for $8. Yeah, we'll take this. It's gonna be so hard to carry out, but whatever. I decided to just get peaks, so I might as well. I spent $130 on all this. It's not too bad, I guess, but
I literally could not shop and just grab 2 things, you know what I'm saying, like ever. No matter what store I go to, it's always like 5 or 10 things, but it's okay. I like the shorts that I got. I guess I could have put everything else back, but whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna get pizza. I'm getting pizza right now for $2.70, bro. What a deal. What a schmeal. But yeah, you know, I like wanted to get burgers, but I was like, no, I just spent money. I should probably just make something at home, which that's what I'm gonna do. But for $2.70, bro, I can't pass that. Alright guys, so that should have only costed me maybe like $40, no more, you know what I'm saying? But I saw a bunch of other things and a bunch of other snacks, so I couldn't literally help myself. But yeah, it was like $136 or something like that. I don't remember, something like that. And yeah, the pizza, dude, was so good. The pizza there is amazing. I was looking at the calories and it says 510 to 1,100. What makes the pizza combo itself, what makes it 1,000 calories? The soda, I'm guessing, because it was like a really big cup. I'm guessing the pizza was like 510 then. Like, that was a pretty good breakfast. I'm proud of myself. I feel really good. I love that. I wanted to grab another piece, but I was like, no, I have to eat some of the stuff at home. And also like eat some of the snacks. I gotta eat the things that I have already, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're just gonna go home now, and then I'm gonna make my smoothie and then I'm gonna try to finish that all day. But yeah, I'll see you guys at home.